The diagram above shows a sketch of part of the curve with equation y equals f of x. The curve has a maximum point minus 2, 5 and an asymptote y equals 1 as shown in the diagram. On separate diagrams, sketch the curve with the equation y equals f of x plus 2. So that plus 2 is on the outside of the function, so it affects the y coordinates only. And we're going to add 2 to every y coordinate, which means that the asymptote is going to move up to be at 3 now, y equals 3. And the maximum is going to move up to be the coordinate minus 2, 7. And so our curve will look something like this. It's all just moved up 2 squares, like that. Part B. Y equals 4 times f of x. So that means we are multiplying all of the y coordinates by 4. So the asymptote was at the coordinate y equals 1. It's now going to be at the coordinate y equals 4. Or rather the line y equals 4. The maximum was the coordinate minus 2, 5. It's now going to be minus 2, 20, because we're timesing that y coordinate by 4. So that means all of the points get stretched out a lot more because they're all being times by 4. And it will look something like this. And then part C, y equals f of x plus 1. That plus 1 is on the inside of the bracket there, so that's affecting the x coordinates, and we do the opposite. So we're subtracting 1 from all of the x coordinates. The y coordinates are not affected at all. So my asymptote will still stay as being y equals 1. The maximum point was at minus 2, 5. It's now going to be at minus 3, 5, because we've subtracted 1 from the x coordinate. And we'll do that with all of the points. All of the x coordinates, we're subtracting 1 from them. And so our curve now looks like that.